Craving pancakes and want a simple, easy, and quick recipe you will enjoy? I will be teaching you how to make easy pancakes from scratch. Pancakes are a popular breakfast item for many people in America and across the world. I have tried so many different recipes, but homemade pancakes from scratch is definitely the way to go. I made pancakes a few times over Christmas break, and I am here to share with you my recipe and share what I have learned. First, you will need to get all of your ingredients together. You will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2/3 cups of white sugar, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of dry yeast, 2.5 cups of milk, 1/3 cups of butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Next, in a large bowl, you will need to mix all of your ingredients besides the flour. You pour in your milk, then baking powder, vanilla extract, salt, and your yeast, followed by your butter, and then your eggs one at a time, and then finally your sugar. Mix all of these ingredients until your butter is well incorporated. Then slowly add in your flour. Continuing to mix, slowly add in flour in small portions and mix. You repeat this step until all of your flour is added and mixed until smooth. Your next step is to grease a small pan with nonstick spray. Let your pan sit in the heat for about 2 to 3 minutes before adding in any of your pancake batter. Add in a 1/4 cup of pancake batter into the pan. Let the pancakes sit in the pan until it is bubbly on top. After it is bubbly on top, flip the pancake over and continue to cook. Continue this process until all of your pancake batter is used. Keep in mind that this recipe does make around 25 to 30 normal sized pancakes. The last and final step is to serve your pancakes with butter and syrup. And there you go. Simple, quick, and easy pancakes. Pancakes made from scratch can guarantee everyone can enjoy them regardless of any allergies or preferences. This recipe can not only help you improve your cooking skills, but it can also fulfill your cravings and help you save some money.